Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Breaking News, Yard and Abroad. On this channel, I will give you the latest news of what's happening both in Jamaica and overseas. I will ensure that it is factual, educational and entertaining. Today, I have a very distressing one, and it is reporting to you that businessman Jali was killed in Montego Bay. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos, and also remember to like and share. The music fraternity is in mourning following the brutal gun killing of one of Montego Bay's better known businessmen and entertainer. Osbourne Campbell, better known as Jali in the music fraternity, was killed at his business place along Fustic Road in the Charles Garden Market area of Montego Bay, St. James, on Tuesday afternoon. That is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. Jelly operates a successful food and vegetable store near the train line along the busy Fustic Road. He was born in St. Anne, and he went to Montego Bay to live with his father in Mount Salem. In 2008, he made an appearance at Reggaeton Fest, where he created an impact. His first song was entitled Green Lime. He made stage shows appearance at Hague Agricultural Show and at Clock Tower, Roots Bamboo in Negril, and at Aquasol. His latest project was a song entitled The DJs Can't Make No Hits. He was a very kind and helpful person to many whom he came in contact with. Rest in peace, Jali. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.